Most people think mental strength means never struggling, but that's not true. Real mental strength is quiet. It shows up in how you think, react, and keep going, even when life is hard. In this video, you'll discover 7 signs you're mentally strong, even if you don't realize it. Sign 1. You keep going. Even when it's hard, mentally strong people don't quit when things get difficult. They feel tired, they feel stressed, but they keep moving forward anyway. Because mental strength isn't about feeling good. It's about not giving up, even when you don't feel like it. Sign 2. You control your emotions. You don't react instantly to everything. Instead of exploding in anger or panic, you pause and think. Mentally strong people understand their emotions, but they don't let emotions control their decisions. Sign 3. You focus on what you can control. You don't waste energy worrying about everything. Instead, you focus on your actions, your mindset, your effort. Strong minds know that worrying about things outside your control only drains energy. Sign 4. You learn from your mistakes. You don't run away from failure. You reflect on it. You ask, what can I learn from this? Mentally strong people use mistakes as lessons, not as excuses to quit. Sign 5. You set boundaries. You're not afraid to say no. You protect your time and energy. You don't try to please everyone, because mentally strong people understand that boundaries are not selfish, they're necessary. Sign 6. You adapt to change. Life changes, plans fail, but instead of resisting, you adjust. You focus on solutions instead of complaining. Strong minds don't fear change, they adapt and move forward. Sign 7. You don't need constant validation. You don't depend on others to feel good about yourself. You trust your own decisions. You follow your values, not the crowd. Because true mental strength comes from within, not from approval. Mental strength isn't loud. It's built through small daily actions. If you see these signs in yourself, you're stronger than you think. Keep growing. Keep improving. Subscribe to Read Mindset Daily for more mindset and psychology videos.